4 digwyddiad cyhoeddus ar draws y rhanbarth. Rydym yn gwybod y brofiad bod nifer uchel o ddigwyddiadau yn cael eu cynnal ar draws Cymru, a'n bod ni mewn gwirionedd yn cystadlu am yr un gynulleidfa. Penderfynwyd felly gynnal y 4 digwyddiad drwy ystod mis Mawrth mwyn cyrraedd cymaint o bobl a phosibl. Mwyn gwneud y mwyaf o gysylltiadau lleol, rhwydweithiau a chyfryngwyr dibynadwy o fewn y gymuned, cynhaliwyd y 4 digwyddiad gan partneriaeth gwahanol. Gan adnabod traddodiadau mewn mannau eraill o'r byd, anrhydeddwyd y menywod a rhoddion o flodau, a dosbarthwyd bron i 1,500 o wacennau bach yn arddangos logo Diwrnod Rhyngwladol y Menywod, yn ogystal â sticeri a ffurflenni, mwyn i fedru ymgysylltu gyda hyd yn oed mwy o fenywod. Egwyddor y tu ôl i gynnal y digwyddiad yma, fel llawer o'r lleoliadau eraill, oedd cael digwyddiad cyhoeddus y byddai pobl yn dod ar eu traws wrth siopa.
Women's Aid are hosting this event here today in Llanelli for International Women's Day. It's an annual global event to celebrate the economic, political and social achievements of women from the past, present and future. And the theme today for this year is empowering women in Wales in times of austerity. We celebrate the event every year, and this year we've been fortunate enough to receive some funding from Welsh Government through the South Wales Partnership. Llanelli Women's Aid support women and children in Carmarthenshire who are experiencing or have experienced domestic abuse.
Daeth Nia Griffith, aelod seneddol dros Llanelli a gweinidog yr wrthblaid dros Gymru, allan i gefnogi'r digwyddiad ac i godi ymwybyddiaeth o Ddiwrnod Rhyngwladol y Menywod.
Now, this should be a day of celebration where we can celebrate the many achievements that women have made over the years. But it's also a day when we remember that there's a lot of work still to be done to tackle issues like violence against women. There is still a huge amount of violence against women. 1 in 4 women report some form of violence against them, some sort of domestic abuse, and that's only what's recorded and reported. What we really need to do is to tackle the whole issue of attitudes towards women and the way that women are treated throughout their lives and develop a respect agenda for women.
Hi, I'm Julia Phillips-James and I'm a chairperson and trustee for Llanelli Women's Aid. I'm also director of Gorma Williams and Company Solicitors in Llanelli. I'm supporting International Women's Day on March the 8th this year. I work in an industry that in the past has had a strong male presence, and I am keen to promote females going forward in that sector, and generally that women should become independent and move forward sort of on their own merit.
We're promoting health and well-being amongst women, also promoting empowerment and guidance if anybody should need help in difficult circumstances, and be aware of the services that we do provide in Llanelli and also all over Wales.
I'm Valerie Woodgager, and here today for International Women's Day because my project, Learn with Grandma, is an international project now. We now have 18 Learn with Grandma groups from the Ukraine to Uganda.
Mae Rhodfa'r Santes Catrin yn gyrchfan siopa newydd a phoblogaidd yng Nghaerfyrddin. Yma eto, defnyddiwyd y cacennau bach i gychwyn deialog gydag aelodau o'r cyhoedd. Bu Lisa Fern o fusnes lleol The Pumpkin Patch yn gwneud arddangosfeydd coginio drwy gydol y dydd. Ariannwyd hyn gan yr ymgyrch Caru Bwyd, Casau Gwastraff, a daeth torfeydd ynghyd o ganlyniad i arogl sgons a jam.
Lisa Fern i fi, wedi dod yma i goginio heddi ar rhan ysgol coginio The Pumpkin Patch o Mewn. Dwi'n coginio pethau traddodiadol ar Diwrnod Rhyngwladol y Menywod. Wedi dod i goginio bwydydd traddodiadol. Byddach mae Menywod wedi bod yn coginio dros y canrifodd, sef ysgoniau, sgons gyda jam, mefus a bach o hufen gyda fe. A fe hefyd yn gwneud sgons bach sawrus pnawn yma gyda ceninen a haws. Felly, rhyseitiu bach diddorol a fi'n gweithio bydd yn pelio i lot o bobl.
Daeth y cyflwynydd teledu Sarah Edwards i ddweud ychydig o eiriau i dynnu sylw at y pwysigrwydd o gymorth i fenywod yn Sir Gaerfyrddin.
Dwi'n mor falch i wybod bod yna gefnogaeth i menywod, dim jyst yng Nghaerfyrddin, ond ym mhob man. I wybod bod yna cefnogaeth i nhw a bod unrhyw beth yn bosibl.
I come here today to celebrate International Women's Day. For me, International Women's Day is about giving women a voice, and it's about being able to talk about difficult issues that affect women. And I'm here to draw attention to the issues of domestic abuse and how domestic abuse impacts on the lives of women and children.
Mae sgwâr y castell yn ardal fawr iawn ac mae'n ganolog i ddinas Abertawe. Nad oedd y tywydd yn ffafriol, roedd digon o le cysgodol ar gyfer hyrwyddo cyfleoedd a gwasanaethau lleol i'r gymuned leol. Denodd y farchnad bwyd Ewropeaidd lif cyson o ymwelwyr ein pabell.
I am here today to raise awareness of International Women's Day to the general public in Swansea City Centre. It's been an excellent day. I've engaged with lots of different types of women and young girls, raising awareness of what we do for women and young girls, some of the barriers that women come across, what we do to help them to overcome that, and International Women's Day as an event as well. I've come across some young girls that have never heard of International Women's Day before, so the cupcakes were a good way of raising awareness of this event. Lots of women are out there, they've got so many barriers that are facing them, especially during this recession. There's cuts being made everywhere. So International Women's Day is all about women, strong individual women, working really hard to overcome the barriers that they come across.
I represent WEA, Workers Education Association, which is an All Wales organisation, and on my project I work especially with women of non-European origin to help with their settlement and integration into UK life.
I set up a charity 3 years ago supporting care leavers, people who've been in care, kinship care, people who've left care and adults who've left care. So I work a lot with a lot of vulnerable women, a lot of isolated women, women who need a little bit of encouragement, a little bit of empowerment to make positive decisions in their lives. And we try our utmost to encourage that and inspire that. International Women's Day means to me the recognition of women in the workplace, the recognition of women in the voluntary sector, and recognition of women as a whole, mothers, sisters, grandmothers, and their importance in the world and what a difference that they make.
Today we're hosting the event actually and helping organise and run it and hand out cupcakes and flyers and raise awareness about International Women's Day. For me, International Women's Day is a means to celebrate women and sort of promote awareness that equality hasn't been achieved yet across the globe, and we're getting close and we should celebrate what's been achieved so far.
Lleolir y neuadd yn rhef farchnad Castell Nedd, o fewn cyrraedd hwylus i ganol y dref. Cynigodd rhywfaint o gysgod a chroeso a chynhesrwydd yn ystod y cyfnodau o law. Bu cyfle euraidd i'r partneriaid i rannu gwybodaeth am gyfleoedd a gwasanaethau lleol i'r cyhoedd yn ystod digwyddiad. Penderfynwyd i dargedu canol y dref yn ogystal, a bu rhai ohonom yn mynd â chacennau bach a ffeflenni o gwmpas y strydoedd cyfagos a'i rhoi nhw i'r siopwyr.
Girl Guides in Cymru support International Women's Day because we are all for equality for girls. We want more role models and better opportunities for girls to enter non-traditional roles.
Hi, my name is Lois. I work for Girl Guiding Company in the PR and Marketing Department. International Women's Day, for me, it means a day to celebrate being a woman and to be proud of our achievements.
Fel ffordd o gynyddu sgiliau menywod yn y gymuned, cynhaliwyd 2 weithdy adrodd stori ddigidol gan adain cyfryngau cymdeithas gwasanaethau gwirfoddol Sir Gar. Cynhaliwyd y gweithdai trwy ddull technoleg isel, fel y byddai'r rhai sy'n cymryd rhan yn gallu mynd â'i sgiliau ymlaen gan ddefnyddio offer sydd ar gael i'r rhan fwyaf ohonom yn ein cartrefi. O ganlyniad, roedd y cyfranogwyr yn gallu creu straeon digidol sy'n codi ymwybyddiaeth o lwyddiannau anhygoel menywod mewn rolau anrhaddodiadol. Mae dathlu ei llwyddiannau yn allweddol i dynnu sylw at modelau rôl benywaidd cadarnhaol, yn enwedig i fenywod ifanc yng Nghymru. Yn y 4 digwyddiad a thrwy'r partneriaeth gyfan, gofynnwyd i 100 o fenywod i gofnodi eu meddyliau ar Diwrnod Rhyngwladol y Menywod ac yn ystod y digwyddiadau cysylltiedig. Gofynnwyd iddynt dynnu o amgylch eu dwylo eu hunain a dweud wrthym beth oedd yn bwysig iddynt ar hyn o bryd mewn amser a beth oedd eu prif bryderon fel menywod yng Nghymru. Ynghyd â chynlluniau o'r rhanbarthau eraill, bydd yr rhain yn cael ei defnyddio i hyrwyddo ymwybyddiaeth o anghydraddoldeb menywod yng Nghymru a hynny mewn partneriaeth a Lywodraeth Cymru. Eleni, llwyddodd 19 o bartneriaid i gyrraedd dros 20,000 o bobl, ond hanner y stori yn unig a adroddir drwy hyn. Rydym eisoes yn edrych ymlaen at ffurfio partneriaeth y flwyddyn nesaf, ac rydym wedi cael rhai syniadau gwych i adeiladu ar lwyddiant eleni. Edrychwn ymlaen at eich gweld felly yn Diwrnod Rhyngwladol y Menywod 2015.